Planning a move within the Buckeye State? If you're in Warren, Ohio and looking for reliable local movers, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll reveal what to expect, how much it might cost, and why 3 Movers is one of the most trusted names for intrastate relocations in Ohio. Let's talk numbers. A local move from Warren typically starts around $620 for smaller jobs. For medium to large moves across Ohio cities, expect anywhere from $1,200 to $3,200, depending on distance, services, and move size. The good news? 3 Movers keeps pricing transparent and competitive. Choosing the right movers is more than just finding the lowest quote. That means no hidden fees, no miscommunication, just a smooth, well-organized move. Here's how it works. Initial consultation. We gather your move details and create a custom plan. Professional packing. Our team carefully packs and labels your items. Modern transport. Our fleet of trucks ensures safe delivery anywhere in Ohio. Unpacking services. We'll help you settle in by unpacking and setting things up. From start to finish, we handle the hard stuff so you can focus on your fresh start. Why 3 Movers? With over 20 years of experience, our goal is to deliver fast, safe, and stress-free moves. From Warren to any Ohio city, we treat your belongings like our own. And our fleet? Equipped to handle everything, big or small. Ready to move from Warren to your next Ohio destination? Call 3 Movers at 1-888-202-0036 or visit us online to get your free no-obligation quote today. Like this video if it helped and subscribe for more local moving insight.